Hi, I'm Jay Adams with Classic Kitchens, etc. And today I wanted to show you our new remodeling project that we're going to start. This is the holiday season right now, and the homeowners are just getting through the holidays, and then we're going to start the kitchen remodel. So I wanted to go through it and show you what we're going to be doing and show you what it looks like before. So in this area we have the island. We are doing a new island here as well. This has a pony wall, as you can see, which we're going to remove, and this is going to become all cabinetry. They have seating here as well, but we're going to remove the seating and just make it more storage for them. Sink stays in the same location. It is centered on the window. That's a good idea. This countertop area is going to be reconfigured. It's going to have a built-in microwave and another oven, a secondary oven, when it's all said and done. So that's exciting. And we are going to a cooktop instead of a slide-in range, a cooktop with a built-in oven. So that is something pretty special actually, because normally we just do a slide-in range, but this will actually have a countertop that goes all the way through, because you have the cooktop on top and then you have the oven built-in cabinetry in the front, and the countertop will just stay continuous all the way through. So that's going to be a really cool look that I'm excited for you to see. We have a chimney style hood, so this microwave gets eliminated, this cabinetry here gets eliminated. We have an open style concept now with a chimney style hood that goes all the way to the ceiling, and then we'll treat the ceiling with a crown once we're all done. We're going to change the island as well. This wall gets torn out, and this cabinetry is going to now be the entire island. So this will increase the storage space of the island and also give it a better look. We are doing an accent color for the island. So the rest of the cabinetry is going to be white, but the island will be espresso, which is the same thing we're going to match with the cabinetry around the fireplace. The island is a real oddity in this remodel, but it is very strange that they would build an island like this with this drywall alcove here that jogs back twice. So yeah, I just thought that was a pretty curious thing that I wanted you guys to see for some reason. For the fireplace area, we have a soffit here that is made out of drywall. We're going to remove that. We have tile around the fireplace, so we're going to remove all that. And then we're going to put in our own mantle kit and then our own tile inside. It'll be a mosaic tile, so it's really going to change the whole look of the space. The cabinetry on both sides of the fireplace is a custom cabinetry that was done years ago. It's kind of a sable stain, but since we are doing espresso on the island, we want this to match so it all looks built together. So we are going to change this whole entertainment center and the bookshelf on the other side to all espresso. So sand and stain. The nice part is that we don't have to rebuild any of this cabinetry, so that's going to make the job go a little bit faster. Tiny bit faster. Lastly, the flooring on this project will be changed out. We're going to do waterproof laminate, which is really popular nowadays. Right now, as you can see, we have the 8x8 ceramic tile in the kitchen, and we have carpet throughout the rest of the house. We're also doing new baseboard, and if you can see that the baseboard right there is a mitered baseboard, and we're going to be going with a rounded corner. I would highly recommend that if you're doing a remodel and changing your baseboard to something taller, something a little nicer than the builder's standard 1.5 inch bullnose that they have here, which is pretty standard on most new home construction. If you go to the taller base, which looks a lot nicer and has a little more detail in it depending on the look you want, you can get it more detailed or less detailed, but definitely having it taller. And then having the corners rounded versus having the mitered corner. You're going to notice a huge difference on the presentation after it's all said and done, what it's going to do to the space. And that wraps up our before construction video. We'll see you after it's done. Oh, let's try to shoot the beginning too one more time. And today we are in a, what are we doing today? I know what I want to say. It's in there somewhere. And I just wanted to show you a little run through. I just wanted to do a little run through of the, what the kitchen, something like that. Because storage is something that we need to have. Storage is something that we desperately need for this kitchen. So no, this whole area here. Let me see if you could see that. It is a. It's kind of. What is this? To it. So sable is kind of that color that really. It's a real nice woody color, a nice brown color. And lastly, the flooring will be changed. This is an 8x8 ceramic tile, and was very popular in the 80s. Okay, let me start again. This is an 8x8 tile from the 80s, and or maybe not, depending on when the house is built. I really don't know. Okay, here we go again, one more time.